ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पेज नंबर 20, सेकंड लाइन इन टीका। इदानीं सर्वकर्मसु प्रवृत्तौ यो हेतुर्मिथ्याज्ञानादिलक्षणस् तस्य प्रवर्तकस्य निरूपणेन कर्मणाम् अविद्याकार्यत्वेन विद्यासाध्य अविद्यानिवृत्तिलक्षणे मोक्षे अनुपयोगात् कर्म समुचिताभ्यासादि निरपेक्ष आत्मज्ञानादेव कैवल्यम् इति प्रदर्शत इत्यर्थः। So what is being shown in the Moolam, it was given, which we saw last time. Athaduna sarvakarma pravritti hetu nirupanena, that is given now in Tika. All karmas are there because of avidya. Their karma pravritti hetu is avidya. Avidya will be removed by kevala jnana matrat. By that, sakala samsara anartha nivritti. So in Tika, idanim, now, sarva karmasu pravrittau, yo hetuhu, in all karma, when there is pravritti, the hetu is mithya jnanadi lakshanas. Mithya jnanadi lakshana, how will you do samasa vigraha? Mithya jnanadi lakshanam yasya. What is the anya padartha? What is the anya padartha?
Avidya.
Ajnana.
You have to see there in that line.
Hetuhu.
Hetu. मिथ्या ज्ञानादि लक्षणं यस्य सः हेतुः तस्य प्रवर्तकस्य. This hetu is the pravartaka. Pravartaka in karma. In all pravritti, this hetu, which is ajnanam, is the pravartaka. It is the prompter. Ajnanam says, you are incomplete, do this, do that. Tasya nirupanena karmanam avidya karyatvena. Avidya nirupanam and karmanam avidya karyatvena, and karma is avidya karya. Therefore, vidya sadhya avidya nivritti lakshane mokshe. Moksha is vidya sadhya and avidya nivritti lakshana. Vidya sadhyatve sati avidya nivrittihi. This is the lakshana of moksha. So moksha is vidya sadhyascha asau avidya nivritti lakshanascha. Either way you can give. Mokshe. The meaning of this is it is gained only through knowledge, vidya. And vidya, what is gained through knowledge is attained through avidya nivritti. Mokshe anupayogat. Mokshe kasya anupayogat? Kesham anupayogat.
सर्वकर्मसु प्रवृत्त
कर्मणाम् अविद्या कार्यत्वम्.
Karmanam. Only karmanam is the answer. Karmanam mokshe anupayogat. Karma do not have any use in moksha. Mokshe karmanam anupayogat. कर्म समुचित अभ्यासादि निरपेक्ष आत्मज्ञानात् एव कैवल्यम इति प्रदर्शत इत्यर्थः. कर्म समुचित अभ्यासादि निरपेक्ष आत्मज्ञान. कर्म समुचित निरपेक्ष अभ्यासादि निरपेक्षश्च. कर्म समुचित निरपेक्ष. Why this word is given?
In the Moolam, Kevala Jnanam, to explain that word.
Correct. In Moolam it is said Kevala Jnana Matra. So Kevala Jnana means not karma samuchita. So karma samuchita nirapeksha. And abhyasadi nirapeksha means?
Matra.
Matra. Kevala Jnana Matra is given. So you don't need karma samuchaya. You also don't have to go on doing any abhyasa after Jnanam. In other words, in our journey, if I have understood that through Bhagatyaga I am Brahma, then whenever there is Viparita Bhavana, you have to cut it with this understanding that this Viparita Bhavana, whatever, Bhaya is there, let us say. This Bhaya is Antakarana Vritti because of the Parichhinnatva Buddhi. I am not Parichhinna. I am Brahma. So not to allow this Bhaya Vritti. Any other such vritti. Krodha is there. Krodha is there because I have some desire, it is not getting fulfilled, somebody is obstructing, you stop it. So in this way, when we work and remove all these desires or negativities, viparita bhavana, then this aham brahmasmi, this jnanam will become firm. In the sense, I will become jnana-nishtha, brahma-nishtha. Karma samuchita abhyasadi nirapeksha. So you have to remember, it is karma samuchita nirapeksha, abhyasadi nirapeksha, both. Atma jnana eva kaivalyam iti pradarshata ityartha. This is being shown. Nanu katham karmasu pravritti hetur mithya jnanam tesham yatha yogyam laukika vaidika praman moolatvad ityashankya. Katham karmasu pravritti hetuhu mithya jnanam. Purvapakshi says, you are saying if there is any karma pravritti, it is because of mithya jnana, means erroneous knowledge. How do you say such things? Why? Tesham yatha yogyam laukika vaidika pramana moolatvad. These karmas are there because of yatha yogyam. Yatha yogyam means yogyam anatikramya. without transcending the appropriateness. The Laukika Vaidika Pramana is there for all these pravritti hetu. Laukika pravritti has Laukika Pramana. Vaidika pravritti has Vaidika Pramana. So they are Pramana Mula. Pramana Mulatvat, how can their hetu be Mithya Jnanam? Iti Ashankya. Karma pravritti nimitta hetu nirupanartham vimrushati iha cha idamiti. Karma pravritti nimitta hetu nirupanartham. So now, Tikakar means Sureshwaracharya ji, Mula Granthakar, he says, Karma pravritti nimitta hetu nirupanam I will do now. For that, Vimrushati means Vicharam Karoti. Vimrushati. Mrishati. Mrishadhatu is there in different gana, but it becomes Marshyate. Kartari Prayogi is Marshati. We'll see that. Iha cha idamiti. Iha cha idam parikshyate. Yes.
Mrish dhatu, amarshana is there, Swamiji. Mrish dhatu, mrishati is there.
Mrishadhatu Amarshane.
Is Swamiji.
This list it didn't show. Okay. Mrish Amarshane. It's vichara. Iha cha idam parikshyate. Kin yatha Pratisiddheshu in Mulam. King Yatha Pratisiddheshu Yadrichikeshu cha karmasu Swabhavika Swashaya Uttha Nimittavashadeva idam hitam idam iti parikalpya Mrigatrishnika Udaka Pipasuriva Laukika Pramana Prasiddhanyeva साधनान्युपादाय हितप्राप्तये अहितनिरासाय च स्वयमेव प्रवर्तते निवर्तते च. This much let us see. Kim yatha pratisiddheshu yadrichikeshu च कर्मसु. In pratisiddha karma or in yadrichika karma means whatever you just do it out of habit, out of ajnana. Yadrichikeshu cha karmasu स्वाभाविक स्वाशयोत्थ निमित्त वशात एव इदम स्वाभाविक स्वाशयोत्थ निमित्त वशात स्वाभाविक means out of ajnanam, swashaya means swechha, out of one's desire. Swabhavika swashayotha, rising from that, nimitta vashad eva idam hitam, idam ahitam iti parikalpya. He does kalpana. This is good, this is not good. Out of ajnanam and kama. Parikalpya. Mrigatrishnikodaka pipasuriva. मृगतृष्णिका जल मृगतृष्णिका उदक पिपासुरिव लौकिक प्रमाण प्रसिद्धानि एव साधनानि उपादाय लौकिक प्रमाण प्रसिद्धानि साधनानि उपादाय. Why मृगतृष्णिका उदक पिपासु? Because there is no jalam and he wants to drink mrigatrishnika jalam. So a pipasu patumichu, he is interested in drinking this. This is out of भ्रांति ज्ञानम, मिथ्या ज्ञानम. लौकिक प्रमाण प्रसिद्धानि एव साधनानि उपादाय. First he gets engaged in using the laukika pramana prasiddha sadhana. Upadaya means having done their grahanam, having taken them up. Hita praptaye ahita nirasaya cha swayam eva pravartate nivartate cha. For hita prapti and ahita nirasa, he himself gets engaged. Swayam eva pravartate nivartate cha. तथैव अदृष्टार्थेषु काम्येषु नित्येषु च कर्मसु. तथा एव in the same way. अदृष्टार्थेषु काम्येषु नित्येषु च कर्मसु. In अदृष्ट अर्थ काम्य कर्म नित्य कर्म कर्मसु प्रवर्तते निवर्तते च. So first one he said, laukika pramana prasiddhani sadhanani upadaya. Just as laukika tathaiva adrishtartheshu kamyeshu nityeshu cha karmasu pravartate nivartate cha. टीका. प्रतिषिद्धेषु कलंज भक्षणादिषु. प्रतिषिद्धेषु कर्मसु in moolam it is given. So what is pratisiddha? Kalanja bhakshanadi. So vishalipta ishu. With that, when the animal is killed, vishalipta bana. By such bana, if pashu vada happens, then that mamsa is kalanjam. That should not be eaten. Kalanja bhakshanadishu. Yadrichikeshu cha shayana asana ishta viharadishu. शयन आसन इष्ट विहार. स्वाभाविकः शास्त्र ज्ञान अनाधेयो यह स्वाभिप्रायो. यादृच्छिक is whenever you want you sleep, whenever you want you sit, eat, go somewhere, wherever you want to go. This is yadrichikeshu. So in there are niyamas that you cannot do this, you cannot do this. But somebody who doesn't follow, स्वाभाविकः शास्त्र ज्ञान अनाधेयो यह स्वाभिप्रायो शास्त्र ज्ञान आधेय it is not, it is anadheya, not supported by shastra jnana. Swabhiprayah, and this is his own understanding about himself. Swasya abhiprayah. Aham prapta sukha अपरिहृत दुःखश्च. अहम प्राप्त सुखः, प्राप्तं सुखम येन सह प्राप्त सुखः.
अप्राप्त सुख स्वामीजी.
Sorry, aham अप्राप्त सुखः. Either way you can say aham prapta sukha or aham aprapta sukha. I have not attained some sukham. Apraptam sukham yena. Or prapta sukham you do, then you do naya samasa. Aprapta sukha. And aparihrita dukkhascha. So some dukkham it is removed, some dukkham is still there. Aparihritam dukkham yasya saha अपरिहृत दुःखः अहम तेन मम प्राप्यं परिहरणीयं च अस्ति इति मिथ्याज्ञानम्. तेन by this मम प्राप्यं परिहरणीयं च अस्ति. मम प्राप्यम् अस्ति परिहरणीयं च अस्ति इति मिथ्याज्ञानम्. तदुत्थ निमित्तम्. So what is said? Mama mithyagnanam mama kinchit prapyam asti, mama kinchit pariharniyam asti. This understanding is called mithyagnana. I have not attained what I want, so I still have something to be attained. I haven't removed something which I have to get rid of, so I have something remaining to be removed. So prapyam is there, pariharaniyam is there. This understanding is an error. Is an error from which standpoint? When I understand I am Brahma. For Brahma, what is prapya?
Nothing.
Nothing. And what is pariharaniyam? Nothing. Brahma has everything. So, see, this, when it is mithyagnanam, from this standpoint, when I understand I am Brahma, then there is nothing to be attained, there is nothing to be removed. If there is vichalanam in that, then I should take through those things which are to increase my Brahmanishtha. So this is mithyagnanam. Mama prapyam asti, mama pariharaniyam cha asti iti. Taduttha nimittam ragadi tadvashad pravrittir vishaya vishesha alambanatvat idam purovarti vastu hitam anukulam ahitam pratikulam iti cha. Let's see this much. Taduttha nimittam, taduttha mithyagnanutha nimittam ragadi. From that mithyagnanam will come ragadi. Tadvashat pravrittihi, this we have seen already in the beginning. Vishaya vishesha alambanatvat. Vishaya vishesha alambana is there. Means now I need only particular vishaya. Vishesha vishayasya alambanam, alambanatvat. Idam purovarti vastu hitam. This object is there. This is going to do good to me. Hitam, anukulam. And that other thing is pratikulam, ahitam. Iti cha kalpana matrena nishchitya swayameva shastra nirapeksham laukika pramana siddhanyeva cha sadhanani sadhanatvena upadaya hita praptyartham ahita nivrityartham cha. Kalpana matrena nishchitya. This kind of thing out of kalpana, nishchay is done. Then swayameva nishchitya shastra nirapeksham लौकिक प्रमाण सिद्धानि एव च साधनानि. शास्त्र निरपेक्ष लौकिक प्रमाण सिद्ध साधनानि साधनत्वेन उपादाय. These sadhanas sadhanatvena upadaya. They are taken up as sadhana. Hita praptyartham ahita nivrityartham cha. For hita prapti ahita nivritti. Yatha teshu karmasu pravartate nivartate cha. Yatha teshu karmasu pravartate nivartate cha. तथा एव अदृष्टार्थेषु कर्मसु काम्येषु नित्येषु च. Just as he engages in laukika pramana, so does in adrishtartheshu karmasu काम्येषु नित्येषु च. All the Vaidika karma, kamya or nitya, nityeshu च किम प्रवर्तत इत्यर्थः. किम स्वयं प्रवर्तत इत्यर्थः. He engages on his own, swayameva, like how it was given, kalpana matrena nishchitya swayameva. So there it was shastra nirapeksham. Here, with the help of shastra, but swayameva pravartate. Why swayameva pravartate? Swayam word is not there in the second set of sentence, but it is there in the first. Swayam means Shastra does not say you do this karma, you do this karma, kamya karma. Shastra says kurvanneveha karmani. That you remember, that is a Purva Paksha. Purva Pakshi said kurvanneveha karmani jiji vishet shatagam samaha. Therefore we should do this karma. We saw this shloka, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
So that answer will be given later. You know what is the answer? You don't know. It is suspense. The answer is given in that mantra itself. Na karma lipyate nare. If you have nara abhimana, if you have this abhimana, I am manushya, you have to do karma for 100 years. If you don't have naratva abhimana, then you don't have to do karma. So, swayam pravartate means Shruti does not say, Vedas don't say you do karma. Vedas say, do you have naratva abhimana? And he says, yes. Then you do. That's why aham manushya, if this buddhi doesn't go, in next janma again karma. So it is not how many shastras I have studied, how many notes I have taken, how many Q&A I have done. Dehatma buddhi is gone or not. Naratva buddhi. Aham manushya. That buddhi has to go. Evam siddhanta hridayam abhidhaya purva paksha hridayam aha. So in this way, siddhanta hridayam, keeping in mind, purva paksha hridayam is said. Kimva anyaditi. Or some other means, there is no other means, either there is laukika or there is vaidika. Athva tathaiva, in Moolam it is given, adrishtartheshu kameshu nityeshu cha karmasu. Kimva anyadeva. Or in some other thing, tatra pravritti nivritti nimittam iti. Or there is some other nimittam. So you can connect it this way. See in Tika. शास्त्रादि जनितं सम्यक ज्ञानम व तत्व प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम इत्यर्थः. What is the pravritti nimittam? Either kalpana matrena nishchitya he does, or for adrishtartha karmashu kamyeshu nityeshu cha he does karma, or shastradi janitam samyak jnanam is pravritti nimittam. This is how vikalpas are created. Purva Pakshi says in the Moolam, you see, Tika first. संदिग्धं सप्रयोजनंच विचारम अर्हति इति न्यायात् संदेह प्रदर्शनानंतरम प्रश्नपूर्वकं प्रयोजनं दर्शयति किंच अत इत्यादिना. संदिग्धं सप्रयोजनंच विचारम अर्हति. That which is sandigdha and that which is saprayojana. Then there is a room for vichara. That which is asandigdha or nishprayojana, I had mentioned this last time. Then there is no scope for vichara. So here there is sandeha. What prompts me to do pravritti? Is it bhranti jnanam or is it samyak jnanam? If bhranti jnanam is swayameva pravartakam, means out of bhranti jnanam he himself gets engaged. And prayojanam, if I know bhranti jnanam is the prayojanam, then I can remove that prayojanam, then my pravritti will go away. And that pravritti is responsible for karma, which gives sanchita karma, prarabdha karma, punarjanma, etc. Iti nyayat sandeha pradarshanaanantaram prashnapurvakam prayojanam darshayati. So, sandeha pradarshanam is done. Tadanantaram now prashnapurvakam prayojanam darshayati. Now he shows the question. Purvapakshi is asking a question. Kincha ata. So what? Kincha means, so all this is there. So what is the, he is asking, what is the purpose of all this analysis? Where are we going with this thinking? Siddhanti says, yadi evam shrunu. Listen. Yadi, see now, you have to note this. This is the division of right and wrong. यदि प्रमाणभूतं सम्यक् ज्ञानम् एव प्रवृत्ति निमित्तं निश्चीयते तदा कर्म त्यागिनो वयं हताः इत्यर्थः. If pramanabhutam samyak jnanam, pramanabhutam means Vaidika pramana, based on that samyak jnana, means whatever jnanam Vedas have said, you are karta, you have to do karma, you have to acquire punya, based on this. Or if you don't do this karma, pratyavaya will be there, etc. Pramanabhutam samyak jnanam eva pravritti nimittam nishchiyate. If that nishchay is done, tada karma tyagino vayam hataha ityarthaha. Then vayam karma tyaginaha, karma sannyasi. Then those people like us who have given up karma, hataha, what is the dhatu?
Han.
Han dhatu. Nishtha pratyaya, vayam hataha. Then we are destroyed. If Shastra Pramana says you have to do karma, and we, the ones who have given up karma, then we are lost. Because what was the opportunity for us, we have given it up. So this vikalpa says samyak jnanam is pravritti nimittam. Pramana bhutatve hetuhu samyak jnanam. This is the first vikalpa. That for pramana bhuta in the hetu is samyak jnanam. Samyak jnana means pramana janita jnanam. Based on that there is pravritti. Samyak jnanatve hetuhu yathavasthita vastu iti. सम्यक ज्ञानत्वे हेतु इज यथावस्थित वस्तु इति. ननु कर्मसु सम्यक ज्ञानात् प्रवृत्तौ किमिति कर्मत्यागिनां हतिः सर्वसन्न्यासेऽपि सम्यक ज्ञानेनैव प्रवृत्ति संभवात् तस्यापि निवृत्तिशास्त्रमूलत्वात् इति आशंक्य आह. निवृत्तिशास्त्रञ्च इति. ननु कर्मसु सम्यक ज्ञानात् प्रवृत्तौ. इन कर्म सम्यक ज्ञानात् प्रवृत्तौ. थ्रू सम्यक ज्ञानम सम्यक ज्ञानात् प्रवृत्तौ कर्मसु किमिति कर्म त्यागिनां हति. पूर्व पक्षी इज आस्किंग. इन कर्म इफ सम्यक ज्ञान is the hetu for pravritti, samyak jnanat pravrittau karmasu kimiti karma tyaginam hatihi. Then why those who have given up karma they are destroyed? And Siddhanti says why not? Purvapakshi says sarva sannyase api samyak jnanena eva pravritti sambhavat. Sarva sannyase api, even if you give up all the karmas, because of samyak jnanam, pravritti is possible. Samyak jnanena eva pravritti sambhavat. Tasyapi nivritti shastra moolatvat iti ashankya. That pravritti also has nivritti shastram as its moolam. Tasyapi means tasya pravrittehe nivritti shastra moolatvat. अति आशंक्याः यदि तावत्. This portion we didn't read, right? You see the moolam. यदि तावत् यथावस्थित वस्तु सम्यक ज्ञानम प्रमाणभूतम लौकिकम आगमिकम वा प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम इति निश्चयो निवृत्ति शास्त्रम च न अभ्युपगम्यते तदा हताः कर्म त्यागिनो भ्रांति विज्ञान मात्र अवष्टंभात् अलौकिक प्रमाणोपात्त कर्मानुष्ठान त्यागित्वाच्च. Sureshwaracharya ji and this Tikakar, both of them, they will write long sentences. 4 or 5 lines are common. Yadi tavat means first he says Shrunu to Purvapakshi. What? If among those cases yathavasthita vastu samyak jnanam pramana bhutam. Yathavasthita vastu samyak, this is karma, related to karma, samyak jnanam pramana bhutam. Yathavasthita vastu means I am jiva, I am karta bhokta. And that jnanam says you do this karma, you will get this, etc. etc. Pramana bhutam. Laukikam agamikam va. Pravritti nimittam iti nishchayo. This is pravritti nimittam. Iti nishchayo nivritti shastrancha na abhyupagamyate. Such nishchaya, which is for pravritti, nivritti shastram cha na abhyupagamyate. And nivritti shastra is not accepted. If pravritti nimitta is this nishchaya arising from samyak jnanam, then obviously nivritti shastra is unacceptable. If nivritti shastra is unacceptable, Nivritti Shastram cha na abhyupagamyate. And pravritti is pramanabhuta. And we are the ones who have given up karma. Means we have taken nivritti. We are not following pramanabhuta pravritti nimitta shastra. Then vayam hataha. Karma tyagina. We the renunciates, we are destroyed then. Why? Bhranti Vijnanam Matra Avashtambhat. Because out of Bhranti Vijnanam, we gave up karma. We thought differently. And this karma is arising from Alaukika Pramana Upata Karma Anushtan Tyagi. We are the... So the Samas Vigraha will be like this. Alaukika eva Pramanam. Alaukika Pramanam. Alaukika Pramanat Upata कर्म अनुष्ठान तस्य त्यागी वयम तस्य त्यागित्वात्. So we are अलौकिक प्रमाण उपात्त कर्म अनुष्ठान त्यागी. We have given up karmas, karma anushtanam, which is arising from alaukika pramana. So then we are following Bhranti Vijnanam. So dasmad vayam hataha. This is one paksha. Purva Pakshi said, why if you are not doing karma, therefore you are hataha? He said that Shastra, if that Shastra says you should do karma, then that Shastra will say there is no nivritti from karma. Why? See in Tika. Yavat jivadi vachana virodhat anadhikrita andha pangvadi vishayatva upapattir nivritti shastram na abhyupagamyate ityartha. Nivritti shastram means karma sannyasa. Karma sannyasa has virodha with yavat jivadi vachana. Yavat jived agnihotram juhoti. As long as you live, you have to do agnihotra. This vachana and karma sannyas will have virodha. One. Second, who will take karma sannyasa according to some Purva Pakshis? Anadhikrita andha pangvadi vishayatva upapattir nivritti shastrasya. Anadhikrita, those who are not adhikari for karma. Who are such people? Andha, pangu, etc. Those who have some deformity in their karana or sharira, they are not eligible to do karma, Vaidika karma. So some people think such people anyway they can't do Vedic karma, ask them to do karma sannyasa. So then sannyasa vishaya will be such people, andha, pangu, etc. Vishayatva upapattir nivritti shastram na abhyupagamyate ityartha. Therefore, nivritti shastra is not acceptable to such people. Kutastesham hatatvam iti yataha bhranti vijnana iti. Why their hatatvam is there? Because of bhranti vijnanam. Atmano ashanayadhyati tattve kartritvadi abhave karmatyage cha मूल प्रमाण अभाव अभिप्रायेण भ्रांति विज्ञान मात्र अवष्टंभाद इत्युक्तम अलौकिकम प्रमाणम यावत् जीवम अग्निहोत्रम जुहुयात् इति वैदिकम वचनम तेन विहित कर्म अनुष्ठान परित्यागित्वात् तेषाम अतिरित्यर्थः. Why their hatatvam is there? Because of bhranti vijnanam. How? It is explained now. Atmano ashanayadi ati tattve. Atma is ashanayadi atita. So you have to remember, Atma ashanayadi atita means lakshyartha, Brahma. Ashanayadi atita and apeta Brahma kshatradi bheda. In Brahma Sutra Adhyasa Bhashya it is given. Ashana pipasa shokam moham jaram mrityum. Shad urmi. In Atma they are not there. hunger, thirst, ashana, pipasa, shoka, moha, grief and delusion, jara, mrityu, old age and death. अशनायादि अतीतत्वे कर्तृत्वादि अभावे, कर्तृत्वादि अभाव is there in atma, and therefore कर्म त्यागे च मूल प्रमाण अभाव अभिप्रायेण, मूल प्रमाण says you should do karma, and this you are saying atma is ashana, pipasa, atita, कर्तृत्वादि अभाव is there, therefore you do karma tyaga. So that is मूल प्रमाण अभाव अभिप्रायेण भ्रांति विज्ञान मात्र अवष्टंभात इति उक्तम. So what these karma sannyasis have done? Bhranti vijnana support they have taken. Bhranti vijnana matra avashtambhat. Avashtambanam means alambanam. Uktam alaukikam pramanam. Alaukikam pramanam, Veda pramanam says, Yavad jivam agnihotram juhuyat. As long as you live, you have to do agnihotra. Iti vaidikam vachanam. See, either juhuyat is given or juhoti. Both readings are there in Vedas. Juhoti lat lakar is actually late. So lat lakar, you should take it as late there. Or vidiling will be there. So either way it is an injunction. Vaidikam vachanam tena vihita karmanusthana parityagitvat tesham hatihi. So what is enjoined, what is prescribed, vihita karma, tasya anusthana parityagita, I will not do, tesham hatihi. So those sannyasis will go down, they will fall. Ityarthaha. Atha iti. On the other hand, now the second case. Atha mrigatrishnika udaka pipasu pravritti nimitta vat ayatha vastu bhranti vijnanameva sarva pravritti nimittam tada vardhamahe vayam atasthayuyam iti. On the other hand, so in the first case he said, vayam hataha. Now in the second one, yuyam hataha, vayam vardhamahe. Then we are right, you are wrong. Which is this case? If mrigatrishnika udaka pipasu pravritti nimittavat, mrigatrishnikāyaha udakasya pipasu pravritti nimittavat. So mrigatrishnika udaka means that jalam which is not there. To drink that water, if somebody has pipasa and he does pravritti, ayatha vastu bhranti vijnanam eva. This mrigatrishnika is ayatha vastu, mrigatrishnika udaka. Ayatha vastu vijnanam is bhranti vijnanam. Bhranti vijnanam eva sarva pravritti nimittam. It is the sarva pravritti nimittam. Tada vardhamahe vayam ataha sthayuyam iti. Then vardhamahe vayam. Then we grow. If sarva pravritti nimittam is understood as bhranti vijnanam, vayam vardhamahe, then we grow. Means then we are victorious. Hataha stha yuyam. Yuyam, you all. Hataha stha. Stha is asabhuvi dhatu, madhyam purush bahuvachanam. लट लकार. टीका. यथा मृगतृष्णिकोदक पिपासु प्रवृत्ति निमित्तं मिथ्या ज्ञानं तथा सर्वकर्मसु प्रवृत्ति निमित्तं मिथ्या ज्ञानम् एव इति यदि निश्चीयते तदा कर्मत्यागिनो वयं वर्धामहे कर्मणि तु प्रवृत्ता यूयं हताः भ्रांति ज्ञान प्रापित प्रवृत्तिमत्वात् इत्यर्थः। यथा यथा एक्चुअली इज यदा, यथा इज देयर, ओके, यथा तथा मृगतृष्णिका उदक पिपासु प्रवृत्ति निमित्तं मिथ्या ज्ञानम। इफ प्रवृत्ति निमित्त इज मिथ्या ज्ञानम, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मिथ्या ज्ञानम? मृगतृष्णिका उदक पिपासु प्रवृत्ति निमित्त मिथ्या ज्ञानम तथा सर्व कर्मसु प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम, then in all karmas pravritti nimittam mithya jnanam eva iti yadi nishchiyate. Just as for mrigatrishnika udaka pan pravritti is arising from mithya jnanam, if for all karmas pravritti nimitta is mithya jnanam only, means every time I am doing some karma, it is out of this misunderstanding that I am some jiva, not Brahma. I need something apraptam, I need prapti, aparihrita, I have to do parihara. If this is the pravritti nimitta, pravritti nimittam mithya jnanam eva iti yadi nishchiyate, if that nishchaya takes place, so this is what we are going to do. Sureshwaracharya ji says in this chapter, this we are going to establish that pravritti nimitta is this error. Karma, you are saying karma will give moksha. He says we are saying karma is arising only out of this wrong notion. Therefore, karma cannot give moksha. The origin of karma is error. Every time I do anything, let's say you go to temple and you stand in front of Bhagavan and ask, Bhagavan, today in Naishkarma Siddhi class, I should be able to answer questions. Means what? I am not Brahma. That is the main thing. Not that you should not answer question. You should answer question. But asking for such thing, anything, or any other, Bhagavan, Ganga ji, water is too cold right now. In the morning to take bath, so Ganga ji, warm we need. You don't have to ask anything. Or Bhagavan, may I live little longer because world needs me. I have to solve a lot of problems. This is all unwanted. So this has Bhranti Jnanam as its root. So karma tyagino vayam vardhamahe. Karmani tu pravritta yuyam hataha. Why? Bhranti Jnana prapita pravritti matvat. Pravritti mat. Yuyam Bhranti Jnana prapita pravritti mat. Matu pratyay. Bhranti Jnanat or Jnanena prapita pravrittir. So, matu pratyaya is same as bahuvrihi. You don't need both. If you do matup, then you don't need bahuvrihi. If the bahuvri is there, then matup is not there. So here matup is already done. Ityarthaha. Evam sandeham saprayojanam pradarshya. So he began the analysis here संदिग्धम सप्रयोजनम च विचारम अर्हति. संदेह इज देयर, प्रयोजनम इज देयर. प्रदर्श्य अधुना निर्णयम आह. Now we come to shloka. So 1 hour of analysis only. हितं संप्रेप्सतां मोहा
हितं सम्प्रेक्षतां मोहात्
हितं च जिहासताम्
Ahitam
उपायान् प्राप्तिहानार्थान्
सतं
शास्त्रं भाषयते अर्कवत्.
ध्यानार्थान्
Sastram Bhashayate Kavat
तेर्कवत् हितं
Hitam
सम्प्रेक्षतां
Samprapsatam
मोहात्
Hitam Chachihasa
प्राप्तिहानार्थान् शास्त्रं भाषयते
Sastram Bhashayate Kavat
हितं मोहात् हितं संप्रेप्सताम् अहितं च जिहासताम् उपायान् प्राप्तिहानार्थान् शास्त्रं भाषयते. शास्त्रं उपायान् भाषयते अर्कवत्. Meaning of the shloka and the Vyakarana we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.